Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time of the day it is that you see this video. I want to do a short video explaining, it's a trial and error for myself because this is my first time on a lock journey. This is now 3 years that I've been wearing my locks. My trial and error is I love the jewelry on the locks. It's beautiful, it's very spiritual. I like to see people wearing the jewelry on their locks. It just does something for my soul. It relaxes me. It's just very spiritual for me. However, the jewelry damages our locks. As much as I love it, and I have a head full of jewelry in my locks right now, and I'm going to eventually take them out. But let me explain why. So, we have this little small piece of cute jewelry. There's all different colors. Well, this is what this was wrapped around. Again, this is what this was wrapped around. And yeah, you say it's a little piece of hair, no big deal, and it is no big deal. However, if you put the jewelry up here, just imagine a longer lock coming out, depending on the length of your locks and depending on if you care or not. For myself, I care. I even hold on to little, it could be this long, it could be this long, I don't care. I'm holding on to my hair. Long hair, I care. So in any event, I just wanted to do a short video about that. Just be careful with, if you don't put hair jewelry in your hair and you like myself, this is your first experience and you don't know it can take your hair out, don't do it. It's beautiful, like I said, it's very spiritual, it feels great. I love seeing it, especially men with their locks and the beautiful shells and what have you in their hair. Is so spiritual. But it's not benefiting us in a way if we are on the journey of wanting to grow our locks as long as we can get them. Now, I can be wrong, so don't shoot the messenger. This is my personal experience, and a lot of times, a lot of us think alike. So if we are like-minded and we think alike, we don't want our locks breaking, even if it's just a little inch or less. Okay? So just want to share that, and I hope you all are having a great weekend. It's beautiful weather here in New York. Not expected in October. Hey, I take it. It can stay like that all year round. I love it. It's any event. Love, joy, peace, and enjoy this journey. It is so beautiful. It's so spiritual. I welcome you. It feels great. Take care.